out. I'm Jen, one half of Dillos Diz. We started doing Vlogmas last year on a whim, and we decided to do it again. We haven't planned much more than we did last year, so we like to just see what happens and go with the flow. But I got to visit Disney World in July, and on that trip I picked up 5 new ornaments for my Disney tree, and so I thought I would share those ornaments with you now. For those of you who don't know, I have a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old, and we had each of them pick their own ornament. Just one. It was kind of hard for them to do, and it was also hard for them not to get like those big box sets of ornaments, which we probably would have went with, but we were really trying to push just one ornament. So, of course, my 4-year-old, who is a lover of princesses, chose Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. Ooh, there's a little hook here. So there she is, little dress, beautiful, sparkly. Let me see if you can see the sparkles there. Yeah. So we have Aurora as our first ornament. Of all the princesses she could have chosen, she went with Sleeping Beauty. I love it. Sleeping Beauty was always one of my favorites. So I love that we have this ornament now. Very cool. The second ornament comes from my 7-year-old. He definitely went back and forth a few times on which one he really wanted, what his final answer was going to be, but he finally chose. Are you ready? I should have a drum roll for all of these, right? I should have something. But he finally chose Joe from Soul. Here he is, playing the piano. You can see the details here. Kind of a little blurry, right? Let me try to fix the blurriness since I'm recording this on my phone. Any better? Not really? Okay. Here it is, lots of details. So it's a really cool ornament. I'm so happy he went with this one, and it also plays some music. Pretty cool. So that is also another addition to our tree this year. Our next ornament, me and Mr. Snidillo chose 3 new ornaments. Could we have chosen more? Yes, could have gotten so many more, because that Christmas shop in Disney Springs, it gets us every time. We spend way too much money there. But, of course, we had to go with a 2021 ornament, because we get annual ornaments. I don't know. I feel like we go back to 2009 on this tree. That's probably about right. And we have an ornament every single year. So this is this year's ornament. I thought it was pretty cool with the blocks. Sometimes it's hard to find ornaments with the year that are different. A lot of them look the same year to year, so this one stood out to me a bit. And the blocks are kind of like a little puzzle that you could put together. You could switch them around. Got Mickey. It's cute. I like it. Alright, so the next ornament I actually got for Frank as well, because Frank and his family love this movie. It was very big in their house for a while. It inspired a Halloween costume of theirs one year, so I had to go with it, but I also really loved it. And it's another one that plays some music. So that is this Mary Poppins ornament. Go, it says Step in Time there on the rooftop. There it is. I just thought that was so cool. I'm loving how these are made, and they just feel, they're heavier ornaments, but I love kind of the scenes of the movies. I think that's really cool. And for the music, goes on for a while. Very cool. And it also gives me some nostalgia for the Great Movie Ride. When's that coming back? Anytime soon? No? That's fine. Our final ornament, I feel like, had to be saved for last, because we have to save these characters, and we have to save this attraction and make sure it does not disappear one day. especially being so close to Galaxy's Edge. But here we go. Muppet Vision 3D. How cool is that? Oh my, I could not even believe that there was an ornament for Muppet Vision 3D. I had to get it. This is another one I got for Frank and his family. I had to. I had to. Come on. Everyone hear my dryer buzz in the background there? Yeah. This one does not play music, but so cool. I was just so happy to see the Muppets represented, Muppet Vision 3D represented, the ornament. I just really hope the attraction never goes away and that's like a relic on my tree. It's fine. I'll get over it. It's just like I got over the Great Movie Ride and Wishes. I'm over it. I'm totally over it. That's going to do it for day 2 of Vlogmas, my new ornaments to add to my Disney tree. If you want to see some other ornaments on my tree, you can actually go into the archives on YouTube to last year's Vlogmas, and I gave a whole little tour, as did Frank, of his tree as well. So we have some tours of our Disney ornaments on our trees, so you can check that out. So until next time, I'm Jen from Dillos Diz. Deuces!
Merry Christmas, thank you, Santa.